Hey guys, this is a Flutter video. In this video we are going to see about a package named shadowed image. This package helps us for creating a shadow of same color scheme as of the image. Don't forget to add this to your dependency and import this in your project. Okay, here inside the scaffold I'm adding the body and the center widget to this body. Inside the center widget, to the child of the center, adding a shadowed image widget. Here I am adding a network image dot network. Okay, here I am using an unsplash image. Let me copy this image, open image in new tab, copy this and paste it here. Okay, if I hard restart the app. Okay, here let me wrap this shadow image with a sized box of height half of the size of the screen. Media query dot of context dot size dot height by 2, same in width. Media query dot of context dot size dot width by 2. Okay, we would get a small image in the center. We can add a scale and blur radius to this shadowed image. Come on, let me add a blur radius of 5, and let me scale to this, add a scale to this, scale of 5. Yeah, we got something like this, and we can use this package to display the similar shadow of the image. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video. Take care. Bye.